chapter in the school's history. So you made a history. So that's the reason I want to highlight grade 12 students of this batch. Your success is not just a destination, but a story. One that will continue to inspire many juniors in the years to come. So, you made a history, children, grade 12 students. I really appreciate you all. And we are so proud of you. And we look forward to welcome you back one day, as Subramanian sir said, not as students, but as chief guests, mentors, and role models for the generations that follow. So please be as a chief guest of Rainbow School. Thank you so much. So without any ado, Max, so shall we start the biggest program for the day?
Yes.
So let's begin the most awaited felicitation program. So I would like to commence the program and I invite Padma ma'am.
Okay. Annie ma'am, Subramanian sir, Surekha ma'am, let's all be here together
Yes.
to felicitate our toppers.
Actually, ma'am, can we take 1 minute between your felicitation with the students? One question for them.
Oh, you have a question for them?
Yeah, after your felicitation. So after you give them, I'll have a question.
Right.
Yeah.
So, shall we start? So we'll start with the seniors, right? So senior secondary school.
Yes, ma'am.
The students who have topped and made us really feel very proud. And the 3 toppers, very luckily if you can see, it's just 1 mark difference between all the 3 students,
Yeah.
right?
True.
So let's call first the topmost scorer,
Yes, ma'am.
Miss P. Sri Tanvi. I invite Sir and Ma'am, parents of Tanvi, also to please be here along with us. So Sri Tanvi has been here with us since lower kindergarten.
Yes, early child.
I still remember her, a little one, coming down to kindergarten. Please, sir, please, ma'am. Coming down to kindergarten, having fun. And then only it was during her high school that we could really see her coming out with her talents. Especially, she was in the choir group, which really made her very dominant over there. She was in every song that was sung in the school as such, right? And after that, we have, during the COVID time, I could see her as a tabla player, right? So before that also you were playing it, but there were moments where you could be identified. Yes, Tanvi could do this. And then after that, it was in grade 9 and 10, I understood that she is a very good orator also. She can very confidently hold the mic and speak, right? And after the IIT visit that we had, she gave us such a good briefing about the whole visit. And after that, it has been always like whenever we have a problem, we talk to each other, we have a lot of conversations going on. So she will tell me, why don't we do this? Why don't we have a class on the topmost floor where it is very breezy? So these are the kind of conversations that we keep having with her. So we've had a wonderful time with Tanvi all these years. We're going to miss you, Tanvi, but I feel really very proud of you that you could make it with such a good score. This score is not to stop you, it is just a beginning for you, and you're going to make it better and better in the coming years. And I should congratulate the parents who have always been doting on the daughter. Every time it is like Tanvi. Tanvi is the only thing for them and nothing else. And whenever they have something to share with us, any concern also, the way they put it down very subtly with us, which could help the other students also. That is how they have been. Right from, I think, sir, we met once in grade 2, probably when she was very small, and then after that in grade 10 and 11 and 12. In between, there was not much talks, but of course, we used to have small conversations. But the way they bring in everything is something which is really beautiful, which we think would be helpful for the other students also. Thank you so much for being a part of this journey with Rainbow Throats. Thank you so much. And one small felicitation. It is just a felicitation, okay? Small gift, which will be a memorable simple one from Rainbow. And I request the parents also to come here and please be with family.
A token of love from the Rainbow family to Ms. Tanvi, who secured the top score of 468 with a percentage of 93.6 percentile. Congratulations, Tanvi. You have a great history actually in Rainbow. Your early childhood started here and your plus 2, you're ending your plus 2 in Rainbow itself. Congratulations and congratulations to the parents too. A big round of applause.
This is a very nice book for you to read, okay? And a watch will tell you'll remember reading it.
Yes.
Sorry? Have a token last line.
Okay.
One question for Tanvi.
Yeah.
Tanvi, this question is completely for you and I want a simple answer from you also. Who was your biggest support during this journey? I mean plus 1 and plus 2. There's the mic. Who was your biggest support during this complete journey?
I would say my mom more than because I'm a child who has quite frequent breakdowns and she has been with me through every single one. So I thank my mom. Thank you,
Thank
mom.
you so much. So this is the opportunity to thank your mom. Mom, thank you so much. Thank you, ma'am, for being support throughout the journey. Thank you, Tanvi.
Any message or advice that you would give your juniors?
Yes.
I would say consistency. No matter how much time you work, make sure you're just consistent. Because when you're consistent, you will have that confidence in you that you're not going away from your work. And gradually, you'll naturally give more time towards what you're focusing on. So I would say consistency matters more than you expect.
Right. Very nicely put. Gradually, naturally, it will happen. Very nice. That is why I tell she's a very spontaneous speaker as well. Sir and ma'am, could I have you also here to talk about the journey that you had in Rainbow? You know, it's almost, we would say, how many years now? 12 and 14. 14 years of the journey with us. So, please share.
అందరికీ నమస్కారం. ఒక స్టూడెంట్ ఈ స్థాయికి రావాలంటే ఆబ్వియస్గా స్కూల్ సపోర్ట్ అండ్ పేరెంట్స్ సపోర్ట్, హర్ హార్డ్ వర్క్ అన్నీ ఉండాలి. అన్నీ ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి ఈ ప్లేస్లో ఉంది. థ్యాంక్ యూ రెయిన్బో స్కూల్.
మార్నింగ్ సార్ అన్నట్టు మాకు బాధగా ఉంది తన్వి వెళ్ళిపోతుందని అన్నారు. మాకు బాధగా ఉంది తన్వి వెళ్ళిపోతుందని రెయిన్బో నుంచి. మేమైతే చాలాసార్లు అనుకున్నాం ఇంజనీరింగ్ కాలేజ్ కూడా పెడితే కదా. సో మాకు అంత అటాచ్మెంట్ రెయిన్బో స్కూల్తో. తన్వి కానీ మేము కానీ స్కూల్ ఏదన్నా కామెంట్ చేసినా కానీ మేము ఒప్పుకోము. Thank you, madam.
Thank you,
sir.
And she also is an aspirant, right? Writing her advanced exam this 18. So we wish you all the very, very best. Hope you make it better. Okay? Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you. So, now I'll take this time.
Yes. Now let's move on to the next topic.
Yes.